Making Kaju Katli without sugar might sound like a stretch to some, but trust me, it can be done. You just need a little creativity and the right natural sweetener. Goodbye guilt, hello indulgence. The first step is to get fresh cashews. Not roasted, not salted, just plain old cashews. Blend them into a fine powder. Don't overblend or they'll release oils and you'll end up with cashew butter. You want a sand-like texture. Now comes the question. If not sugar, then what? Use dates. Dates are nature's caramel. Soak about half a cup of pitted dates in warm water for 15 minutes, then blend them into a paste. Smooth consistency is your friend here. Combine your cashew powder and date paste in a non-stick pan over low heat. Stir constantly. At first, you'll think, this is never coming together, but it will. You'll start noticing the mixture thickening and coming off the sides of the pan. This is where you check your consistency. Take out a small ball of the mixture and let it cool for a minute. If you can roll it between your fingers without it sticking too much, you're golden. If it's still sticky, cook it a little more. Pro tip, add a pinch of cardamom powder at this stage. It gives the katli that authentic rich aroma and reminds you why Indian desserts are just on another level. One small pinch can transform the entire dish. Transfer the mixture onto a greased parchment paper and let it cool for 5 minutes. Don't try to shape it immediately, it'll still be too soft. Cooling is critical. Think of it as giving the dough time to stabilize. Once it's cool enough to handle but still warm, place another parchment sheet on top and roll it out with a rolling pin. Target a thickness of about 1/4 inch. The key is evenness, so your pieces cook evenly in their final stage. Now, for the classic diamond shapes, take a sharp knife and make diagonal cuts one way and then the opposite way. If you mess up the shapes on the first go, hey, you've just invented artisanal Kaju Katli. At this point, some people go fancy and add edible silver leaf on top for an authentic Indian sweet shop aesthetic. It doesn't alter the taste, but it sure elevates the presentation. Plus, Instagram loves it. Let the pieces cool completely before you attempt to separate them. If you try too early, you'll tear the shapes apart. Patience isn't just a virtue here, it's a survival skill. And just like that, you've got Kaju Katli with no refined sugar and a whole lot of heart. You didn't just make a dessert, you made a memory, one that's healthier and every bit as indulgent.